Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete fake reviews on Google My Business and remove fake Google reviews. Managing your online reputation is absolutely crucial for any business owner, and knowing how to properly handle fraudulent reviews can make a huge difference in maintaining your credibility and customer trust. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to business.google.com. This is where you'll access your business profile dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that's associated with your business listing. If you don't automatically see your business profile after signing in, you can simply search for My Business on Google to quickly access your management dashboard. Once you're on your Google Business dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll want to locate and click on the Reviews section in the left-hand navigation menu. This will display all of the reviews your business has received from customers over time. Now, carefully examine each review and look for any that appears suspicious or fake. Pay special attention to reviews from people who were never actual customers. Also, watch for reviews that contain clearly false information or include inappropriate language that violates Google's policies. When you find a review that you believe is fake, click on the 3 vertical dots next to that specific review. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Report Review option to begin the formal reporting process. Google will present you with several different reporting options and reasons for flagging the review. Take your time to choose the reason that best explains why this particular review is fake or violates Google's content policies. Being specific and accurate in your selection will significantly help your case during Google's review process. After carefully selecting the most appropriate reason, click the Submit or Send Report button to officially submit your request to Google's support team. It's very important to understand that Google doesn't automatically remove all reported reviews immediately. The investigation and review process typically takes several business days as Google thoroughly examines each report. While you're waiting for Google's response, you might want to consider crafting a professional public response to the fake review. This shows other potential customers that you're attentive to feedback and genuinely care about customer experiences. In your response, politely state that you have no record of this person being an actual customer. You can also invite them to contact you directly through private channels to resolve any legitimate concerns they might have. Remember to make it a regular habit to monitor your reviews and promptly report any new fake ones you discover. Staying proactive about your online reputation management is key to maintaining a positive image for your business. Thank you for watching.